Well, it's a sign of the times. The fight against the worsening fentanyl crisis is getting a new tool to keep first responders safe when responding to overdose calls. This detector allows users to stay a safe distance away while analyzing what substances they're potentially being exposed to. NewsNation's Alina Shirazi joins us now live with a look at how it all works. Alina, I understand that some departments are actually already using this.
Yeah, Anna, they are, and we know it's no secret fentanyl is flowing through the U.S. border. Last year, 24,000 pounds were seized at ports of entry, and CBP says that's double what it seized the year before. But not only are parents losing their children to the drug, law enforcement officers are seemingly susceptible as well.
It's got really lightheaded.
From rural Florida,
Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in.
to the streets of San Diego.
Yeah, it's a powder.
Could be cocaine or fentanyl, dude.
The scenes of officers collapsing and gasping
Just breathe, buddy, breathe.
after coming into contact with fentanyl.
Don't be sorry. You're okay.
Hard to shake off.
I need Narcan. I got you. I got you.
That's why when Officer Lucas Bailey hits the streets of Denton, Texas these days, he's happy to have an extra tool in his arsenal.
It just really reduces the chance of you being exposed.
It's a portable handheld spectrometer that replaces the roadside chemistry kit officers used to analyze drugs for decades.
Whatever substance you're testing, you've got to open that up, take a specimen out of it, move it to a field test kit and test it. So you've got a lot of potential for exposure.
It's a NIC public safety kit. It's known as NIC-G.
At Florida International University's Global Forensic and Justice Center,
Go ahead, open up the suspected container.
Kirk Grates demonstrates just how close traditional technology takes an officer to an unknown substance.
Pink over blue cocaine. Yeah, I'll be honest, I never thought this was even possible when I first started my career, that you would actually be able to analyze a chemical or chemicals at a distance.
The handheld device allows an officer to stay back as far as 6 feet.
And the LDPE is a low-density polyethylene. It's the actual container.
And it's not just fentanyl the portable device can pick up. Here it identifies meth through a car window and at a mock crime scene. Other dangerous chemicals and explosives in its library too.
I think it's 8,400 different chemical compounds that it can identify. And that spans illicit drugs, can be explosives, toxidestro chemicals, chemical warfare agents, and other precursors.
The science cutting down on arrests from false positives. And while some medical experts question if fentanyl exposure can truly cause these severe reactions,
She's not breathing. Hit her again.
there's no complaining about being a bit farther away from unknown hazards.
There's nothing to be sorry about. I got you, okay? I'm not going to let you die.
Back in Texas, the Denton Police Department's on year 2 of the pilot program with loaners from Florida International, and it's already proving invaluable for undercover officers.
It gives them a better feeling about, one, the work they're doing is on the right path, right? I'm not buying pieces of peanuts when they're saying it's crack, or I'm not buying baby powder when they say it's fentanyl or something like that.
It's an excellent tool. It's keeping officers safe, and I hope everyone's able to get their hands on one.
And we know that Florida International University actually has an online safety program that teaches officers to use this rapid analysis tool.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.